Well, when I was in medical school, I had thought about family medicine, taking care of the whole family, but then I decided that my real love was for children. And that's where, you have the chance to make the most change. You can influence lives early on, then you've made a change forever. TLC Pediatrics started about 10 or 11 years ago, and that's been the practice that I have been with ever since I finished residency. So it's really where I grew up as a doctor. And it's a very special practice because we know all the patients there. All the patients have met us at some point or another, and so everybody feels comfortable with each other and it feels like a small family. We have prenatal visits for our parents to come and meet us before they have a baby, or after they've already had a child and they just are thinking about moving to a different practice. They can come meet any of our providers on Saturdays, or really will accommodate them anytime during the week. I think we have a great setup in our office in that we are open on Saturday mornings, and really those hours are for kids who are sick. Parents who are concerned about the weekend coming up and not potentially having access to their doctor can call and schedule an appointment on Saturday. But the other great thing about our off hours is that we have walk-in hours every Monday through Friday, and they start as early as 7:30. So the great thing about that is you can bring your child in first thing in the morning and see if they're able to go to school that day and if you're able to make it to work. The benefit of being part of Nemours is that we have access. We have access to other types of care for our children. And the wonderful thing is that we have one big computer system that has those children's records. And if they go to urgent care, if they go to the ER, if they go to a specialist, all those records are there. My father was a doctor, and he was in practice for over 35 years when he finally decided to stop 1 year ago at the age of 80. My father has definitely been an inspiration to me. I really couldn't think of anything else that I wanted to do besides being a doctor. That's really what I was meant to do.